Okay. So just now we discussed also about one second. So just now we discussed also about alerts class. Okay. So now let me continue that part. So I'm going to this website. Okay, I'm going to this website. After that, I want to click on this one, run the demo. So this is a link text. So driver dot find element by link text dot run the demo dot click. I'm writing. Okay, one second. Where is that? So the driver dot find element by link text dot click run the demo dot click. I'm writing. After that, after clicking on run the demo, what is happening? This JavaScript alert is coming. Okay, so here I want to type some value. So Sudhakar, and I want to click on cancel. Previously we have seen alert.accept.ok, alert.accept. So this time I want to click on cancel. So after clicking on cancel, the system is prompting one more pop-up. So here it is coming as okay. So again I have to click on alert.accept. Okay, so let's handle this scenario. So I navigated to here. After clicking on run the demo, okay, so thread.sleep means the execution will be paused for 2 seconds. 2000 means the execution. So next lines it won't be executed. After 2 seconds, it will be, these lines will be executed. Why I have written thread.sleep 2 seconds means sometimes the alert pop-ups, it will not be loaded. So it will be loaded very slowly. Okay. So to handle this part, I have written thread.sleep. So meanwhile, your alert pop-up will be loaded within the 2 seconds. Okay. So that's the reason I have paused my execution. Anyway, you are after clicking on run the demo. So within 2 seconds, your alert pop-up is coming. After that, these lines will execute smoothly. That's why I have written thread.sleep. So your execution will be paused for 2 seconds, but anyway, you have clicked on click operation. So meanwhile, your alert pop-up will be opened. After that, I want to switch on to the alert box. So first of all, to switch into the alert box, so alert is equal to driver dot switch to dot alert. So you have navigated to alert. So alert dot send keys. So this value will be typed automatically. And after 2 seconds or 1 second, okay, 1000 means 1000 milliseconds means 1 second. Okay, that after 1 second, it will click on alert dot dismiss. So I'm clicking on cancel once my name is typed. After that, again after 2 seconds, okay, it is coming, one more pop-up message is coming, right? So after 2 seconds, again I'm clicking on alert.accept. So I'm closing my OK button, final one. So the next whichever accept is coming, so I'm clicking on alert.accept, so it will close. Well, so like this I handle. So first I'm switching on to the alert. After that, I'm typing my value. After that, I'm clicking on cancel. After clicking on cancel, what is happening? One more alert pop-up message is coming. So I'm clicking finally alert.accept. So between every pop-up message, I am giving some pass statement, because sometimes the alert message will be loaded slowly. That's right. Okay, now let me run my program. So Sudhakar typed, and after that it's clicked on OK. Okay. See, your program was successfully executed. Okay. So like that, we can able to handle alerts. So just I want to tell one complex scenario. That's it. Okay. So now let me go to the another program. Next lab, one more lab on alerts. So whenever
Sir.
alert box is coming, yes.
సార్ ఇందాక హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ పేజీకి వెళ్ళి మీరు యూఆర్ఎల్ లాంటి కాపీ చేసి పేస్ట్ చేశారు కదా, అట్లా ఎట్లా తెలుస్తుంది సార్?
ఇదా ఇట్లా అంటే నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు డౌట్.
అంటే ఈ హెచ్టిఎంఎల్ పేజీలో చూసి చూపించారు కదా ఇందాక, అది ఎట్లా అట్లా అంటే ఎలా
అంటే మీకు మీ అప్లికేషన్ లో ఎక్కడైనా ర్యాండమ్ గా ఒక చోట క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు అలర్ట్ వస్తుంది మీకు. ఓకేనా? సో అంటే మీకు ఈ బటన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయగానే అలర్ట్ వచ్చింది, మీకు వెంటనే ఏ లైన్ రాయాలని మీకు స్ట్రైక్ అవ్వాలి, వెంటనే మీకు ఈ లైన్ రాయాలని మీకు స్ట్రైక్ అయిపోవాలి. తర్వాత మీరు alert డాట్ యాక్సెప్ట్ మీద కొడితే ఓకే మీరు క్లిక్ అయితే alert డాట్ డిస్మిస్ మీద కొడితే క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. సో alert రాగానే మనకి స్ట్రైక్ కావాల్సిన బై డిఫాల్ట్ లైన్ ఇది. సో మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కోసం నాకు ఫలానా చోట అప్లికేషన్ లో alert వస్తుందని నాకు తెలుసు కాబట్టి నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా?
ఓకే.
రైట్. సో సిమిలర్లీ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సో అంటే నేను ఈ క్లాసెస్ చెప్పడం గురించి alert ఎక్కడ వస్తుందో ఆ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకొని మీకు చూపించాలని మీకు చూపిస్తున్నా. సో మీకు ఎప్పుడైనా సినారియోస్ లో ఏదైనా వెబ్ పేజ్ లో ఎప్పుడైనా ఆటోమేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు alert పాపప్స్ వస్తే యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ దీస్ లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్. సో ఇక్కడ I navigated to this web page. I'm entering some data 5, 6, 7, 8. After that I'm clicking on submit. So you will write driver.findElement by send keys and you will write driver.findElement by submit.click. You know how to automate up to this one. But after this you don't know how to handle this alert. So what is the immediate line I will write? Let alert is equal to driver.switch to .alert. If I want to click on OK, alert.accept. If I want to click on cancel, I will write alert.dismiss. Okay, that's what we understood. Okay. So I enter driver.findElement by send keys and driver.findElement by submit.click. After that, immediately the system is prompting some alert. So I have written this line of code. And after that, I want to get the text message. Do you want to really delete this customer? So do you want to delete this customer? So this is the message you want to get. Okay. So to get alert message into a string mess, so I'm writing like this: string alert message is equal to alert.getText. So whatever text it contains, that message it will come into here. So do you want to really delete this customer? So that message alert displayed as, I'm printing that one and I'm printing this alert message. So in the console that message will be printed. Okay. So after executing this program, and after that what I'm writing alert.accept. So from this program what we also understood how to get the text alert text message. So we understood. So simply you need to write alert.getText and you can print that one as like this. Okay. Now let me run my program.
సార్ అక్కడ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ వాడచ్చు.
వాడచ్చు యూ కెన్. Okay, so now let's go to here. So just now, so I want to check this message came or not in my console. Alert displayed as, see alert displayed as. So this is the alert message, it is printed. So in the interviews what people are asking, one more question is, how do you get alert message? String str is equal to alert.getText. Okay, and we can print the system.out.println. That's it. Okay, and if you want to click on OK, how do you handle? Alert.accept. If I want to click on cancel, alert.dismiss. Okay, so if you want to switch on to the alert, you need to write alert. Okay, what is the supporting class for alerts? They will ask you. So just you can go here and check the supporting library. So what is this one? Alert. org.openqa.selenium.alert. So this is the alert supporting class we have imported. Understood? So that's it for today. So in today's class we have covered lab number 27 and lab number 22. Okay, so the most important topics is Selenium 21 and 22. So these are the most important topics. Okay, so because sometimes actions click operation is not working, send keys is not working, and menu operations when I'm clicking on the control is navigating to some other page, because complex part has been involved in these two labs only. So you have to understand which class you are going to use. Okay, so in normal situation send keys or click or send scrolling part is not working, you need to look into these labs. Okay. Okay, anyway I have shared this running notes as well. Okay, you can go through this part. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. And in tomorrow's class we are going to discuss about very most important topics, weights and frames. Okay, so whatever topics that I'm telling, so JavaScript executor, one second, JavaScript executor, if there is any Selenium interview, by default the interview guy he will ask at least 2 questions on JavaScript executor. And an actions class also, the interviewer guy, he will ask 2 questions. Definitely 100%, no doubt. And after that, weights is, there is no interview without, there is, without weights concept, there is no selenium interview at all. Okay. Yeah, so tomorrow's class is very, very most important topic, weights and frames. So whatever topics that I'm telling, okay, these 5 topics are very, very most important topics. Okay. Yeah. So ensure that you are doing practice perfectly on these labs and make sure you are confident on these labs. Okay. Yeah, that's it for today, and we'll catch you same time by tomorrow 9 a.m.